Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Eero TV which keeps disconnecting. So here's a fix for your Wi-Fi dropout and streaming for your smart TV. Fix 1. Enable Eero client steering, which is the legacy mode. Open the Eero app on your smartphone, navigate to settings, select network settings. Tap on wireless or advanced, then turn on client steering. If it is already on, you can toggle it off to see if your TV stabilizes on a single band. Fix to temporarily pause 5 GHz network band. In the Eero app, tap Settings and then go to Troubleshooting. Select My device won't connect. Tap the temporarily pause 5 GHz button. Your Eero network will turn off 5 GHz traffic for 10 minutes. Go to your smart TV network settings, disconnect from the Wi-Fi, reconnect and let it bind securely to 2.5 GHz channel. Fix 3. Turn off private MAC address. This is for IP shuffling. Open your smart TV settings panel on your Roku, Samsung, LG, Fire TV, etc. Navigate to Network and then select About or Advanced Settings. Locate private MAC address or locally administered MAC address. Change the setting to disabled or use device MAC so your Eero router can permanently identify the TV. Fix 4. Clear the smart TV network cache. For Samsung TVs, you can hold the physical power button on your remote control for 10 seconds until the TV turns off and the Samsung logo flashes back on. For LG TVs, you can go to Settings, select General, and then go to About this TV, select User Guide, and then Clear App Cache or Cookies. For Roku or Fire TV, you can unplug the power cable directly from the wall outlet, wait for 60 seconds, and plug it back in to flush the wireless interface. Fix 5. Clear Eero device block history and profiles. Open the Eero app and select the Home tab. Scroll down to the currently offline or devices list. Locate your smart TV. If it says paused, tap the device name and select Resume. Check Eero Secure or Plus settings to ensure the TV hasn't been blocked by parental controls or ad blocking flags. Fix 6. Hard power cycle the local mesh node. Unplug the power adapter from the individual Eero device nearest to your television setup. Leave it completely unplugged for 60 full seconds. Reconnect the power cable and wait for 3 minutes for the status indicator light on top of the Eero puck to turn solid white. Fix 7. Connect via Ethernet or an external streaming stick. Direct cable line. You can plug a physical Ethernet cable directly from the back of your nearest Eero node into the LAN port on the back of your TV. Use a streaming dongle. Connect an external Apple TV, Roku stick, or Amazon Fire Stick to your TV's HDMI port. These devices features vastly superior, up-to-date wireless cards that communicate flawlessly with the mesh routers. So that's it for the video. By following these 7 fixes, it should help you solve the problem. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.